Bottoms up.
Alright, let's go. That feels really good. I just got hair in my eye.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of like Anne Hathaway and Les Miserables.
Oh yeah. You can play that song next. I know that song. I can lip sync to that song.
Feels weird.
Yeah, that's the spot that I smashed through the door.
No Bruce.
No, Bruce?
Aubrey, you want to be next?
What?
Are you next? Yeah?
What of it? Let's have a 3-year-old shake my head. Please don't shake your head, Aubrey.
You have such pretty hair, Aubrey.
You do.
You have very interesting growth patterns.
I don't.
That's a line I've never heard before.
Should every person wants to
That's
hear.
yeah.
Pick up a girl there.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that next time I go to the bar.
You like that too, Emma?
What are you feeling, Kristen? Does this feel good for you?
It
Is
does.
this good for you as it is for me?
It's very therapeutic,
Excellent.
actually.
Good.
It's kind of like, it's another way of taking control.
Yes.
And it's like, you want this done. And as crazy as it may be to other people, doing it and taking control of it is part of it. It's just, you gotta just do it. And screw what anybody else has to say about it. You don't need to explain it to anyone but yourself.
Can you leave that one little thing right on the...
You really want me to?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Ears are the hardest.
Yeah, I'd like to keep those. This feels really good. I didn't know how good this was going to feel.
Oh, it feels great.
Kristen and I are totally having a moment right now. Not quite sure what's happening over there, however.
Aubrey got on.
I think we should definitely play Carly Rae Jepsen right now. She can't get
Oh, I
away.
can't get away. Okay, this is it, you guys. If you want to hear me, if you want me to hear that song, then now is the time to do it.
Aubrey, you want to play your dance?
What dance?
Your dance.
What dance?
Call me maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.